Hi, how are you doing? It's Monday morning. Whew, boy, is it Monday morning. It's Monday morning. How is your Monday morning going today? We are going to talk today about how to make your makeup last all day long. I mean, literally, we're going to talk about how just a few products are going to help you make your makeup last all day long. And who doesn't need all day long coverage, right? We all do. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Stephanie Wilson Vincent. I'm also known as GrandmaLovesMakeup.com. And again, I'm going to show you today with using just a few products how you can make your makeup last all day long. And that's something that we all want, right? We want makeup that's going to last all day long. So I'm just sharing here in a few places, and then we're going to get started. Now, I've already done my morning routine, which consists of cleansing. I've cleansed. I have used my rose water toner to kind of help with inflammation and even out skin tone. And I've also used my day cream. I'm not going to use sunscreen today. I'm not going out today. It's like 20 some odd degrees outside. I'm in Missouri. Do me a favor, drop a comment. Let me know where you're at and if the sun is shining, which it is here, and if it's warm. It is not here. It's cold here. It was like 20 something this morning. So anyway, I've already done all of that. Not going to do my sunscreen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to make your makeup last all day. And it honestly starts with a good skincare routine. But then we're going to move on to primer, okay? If you don't use primer, primer is definitely a must. Primer is going to help blur imperfections. It is also going to help fill those pores. So I'm using our mattifying primer today. This is our brand new primer. It is perfect. It is awesome for doing exactly what I wanted to do, which is make my makeup last all day. So I'm going to put a little bit on my finger here, like so. You can see that amount. It's thicker than some of our other primers have been. We have 3 different ones. Again, this is the mattifying primer, and I'm just going to put it over my face like so, and just evenly rub it in. You can use as much as you want if you have bigger pores and want to put some on. Hey Tasha, how are you doing, girl? I may need a little bit more here. So I'm going to do that. Put some down on my neck because that's where my makeup is going to go too. A little bit on my eyes. I'm going to try and be just a little bit quick for you guys today. Be sure and comment. I don't have my contacts in, so I can't really read what you're saying, but I do come back and I do comment on all of your comments. So please make sure that you're commenting, okay? Because I would love to answer your questions. If I can't see it to answer it now, I will answer it in a bit, okay? Mattifying primer goes on first. Now, in an ideal world, we have 5 minutes where we can let this set. That is the perfect way to do it, okay? The excess, you can just kind of go through your hair and help with the little flyaways and just kind of get rid of it that way. So, 2 in 1 right there. Anyway, ideal world, it sets for 5 minutes, okay? We are a little rushed this morning, so we're not going to let it set for the full 5 minutes. But we are going to move right on in to our next step, which is our liquid foundation. This is my favorite foundation. This is what got me using Younique products. I can use these products, these few products that I'm going to show you today. I can use them. I can put them on early in the morning, and when I go to take it off at night, it is still on. It is that good. Grandma doesn't refresh her face. I don't go back and spot touch my makeup. I just don't do it. I don't have time for it. So it is what it is. So when I say that these are really going to work for you, they really are going to work for you. And I'm not going to do a whole face. I'm just going to show you these steps today, okay? So I have shaken up my liquid foundation good. These come in droppers. You just open it up to empty it, and then just make sure that you're closing the lid. I let a lid go yesterday and got foundation all over the place. The stoppers inside, they're glass. So be careful with that, okay? If you have little pups around or kitty cats, just watch it. So it just ruined my live yesterday. So I didn't go live yesterday. But hey, it was Easter. I needed a day off anyway, right? And I hope you guys enjoyed your Easter. So I'm just going to fill my stoppers like so. I'm in between shades. That's why you see me doing 2 different shades right now. This is my Dead of Winter shade. This is my I'm Almost Tan shade. So rather than getting a shade for all of my gorgeous colors, I have just learned to mix. I'm using my foundation brush is what it is. Grandma loses her words sometimes. I'm going to use 6 drops. I'm going to use 4 of the darker one, and I'm going to use 2 of the lighter shade. Now, I don't expect anybody to know how to mix these, but as you get more versed at doing it and you have more experience, then you know kind of what colors to use. And Grandma can help you with that as well. So I've had people question, well, I'm this shade now. What happens in the summer whenever I get this shade? Well, that's no problem. We can fix that, and maybe Grandma will show you that later this week. But 2 colors is what I use 3 colors. I have a summer color, an in-between color, and a winter color. And I used to just do 2 colors, summer and winter, and mix the 2. And you can do that. And it's really easy to do, and I can show you how to do that. Anyway, this is what we call our Liquid Gold. This is our Liquid Touch Foundation. This is a light coverage foundation. It goes on, you let it set for a moment, and it dries to a powder. It is utterly amazing. It is part of my Flawless 4, which you can get at grandmalovesmakeup.com. You can save, counting shipping, over $50 whenever you get the Flawless 4 all together. And those are the products that I'm using today, is the Flawless 4. But again, our goal is to make sure this makeup is going to last all day long. So as you can see, I'm just blending really good. If you want all day coverage, give me a wow face. Hit those buttons down there, because I sure can set you up. I know Tasha has got some of these products on the way to her, and I am so excited about that. So I can't wait for her to get that, because it is going to be utterly amazing. So you can see the coverage. Notice that my face was all blotchy, and now it's nice and all one color. It smooths in. It's going to dry to a powder. If you prefer more of a matte finish, I suggest using the stick foundation. It has kind of a fuller coverage as well. This is a lighter coverage for me. It does not feel like I've got foundation on, and I just like the way that it sets on my face. So that was step number 2. We've done our primer and we've done our foundation, okay? Next I'm going to do concealer. This concealer lasts a really long time. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. You're going to see me do this. Anytime you watch me in a video live, you're going to see me put this on the back of my hand. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of our original primer, and I do that because Grandma has lines and wrinkles, and this kind of helps smooth that out for me. So I just mix it like so. Now, I'm not getting all fancied up today, so I'm just doing eyes and lids. I'm not doing shadow. I will do some, blush. Yeah, that's my word, blush. I will do a little bit of blush, but other than that, this is all you're gonna get. So I'm gonna take a wet blending blend, and I'm gonna blend this in. And tomorrow, I'm gonna talk to you about what I'm doing with this and how to hide the dark circles under your eyes. And it's really, really easy, and blemishes. So we're going to talk about that tomorrow. But today, like I said, we're just talking about how we're going to make this last all day long, because we want it to last all day long. I want it to be just as good now as when I take it off tonight. And I will snap a picture of the finished product in the comments, and then I will also come back this evening and I will snap a picture of how it's still on my face. Keeping in mind, Grandma does not freshen up, okay? So, got that. I don't know. Oh, there they are. Sorry, live videos. Never know what's going to happen. Now then, I'm going to put just a little bit of blush on. So I've done step 1, which was primer. I've done step 2, which was the foundation. I've done step 3, which was to conceal. And next, I'm just simply going to show you how to set, okay? Good enough face here. The only other thing I'm going to add in a bit is a little bit of lipstick and my lashes. And they are real lashes, yes. I'm just enhancing what I've got. So I'm going to make sure That's a little bit more blended. This is my Behold setting powder. This comes in a powder and it comes in a spray. If you like a powdery finish, this is definitely the one you want. If you have oily skin, this is the setting powder. This is the setting product that you want. If you have very dry skin, which I do have very dry skin, but I like this finish. Very dry skin, we have a setting spray, and it is very easy to use the setting spray, and it gives you a dewy finish. With the setting spray, you simply spray an X across your face like so, here, and then down the middle, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. So this is the last step in getting a flawless face all day long. It has a little mesh pocket in here so you don't get too much product. You can just bounce it off like that, and then just sweep it all over your face. Like so. Super, super easy. Super easy. Like so. And this is going to make me have this makeup on literally all day long. I can lay down, I can take a nap, and it's going to be on all day long. All day long. If you want all day coverage, give me some love, give me some likes, hit that wow button, say all day. Like Grandma said, she doesn't have her contacts in now. I can't read what you're saying, but I will get back with you. So, this is it. It's that simple. Now then, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lashes and a little bit of lip color, and I'm going to be done for my day. And I'm going to be set all day. Okay, so I started with a good skincare routine, right? Then I have my primer, my mattifying primer. Then I went to my foundation. Okay, these are your steps in getting your all-day look. Then I went to my concealer that doesn't have the cap on it, but that's okay. Went to my concealer, and then I finished it with my setting powder. And this is going to last me all day long. Okay, I'm going to look this good tonight whenever I snap that photo. So join me tomorrow, guys. We're going to be on here at 10:30, just like today. And Grandma's going to show you how to get rid of those pesky dark circles. You saw the dark circles Grandma had. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that, the best products to use. I'm going to talk to you about how to get rid and hide blemishes. And again, just join me, okay? Love you guys. You have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.